Hello guys, welcome to Globtech Solutions. So today is our topic is I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and what is ChatGPT actually and why we should use ChatGPT and how the ChatGPT can uh, help in our daily life. So let's see. Research is here. What is T? You can see ChatGPT is a large language model based chatbot developed by OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company who developed this ChatGPT platform and launched on November 30, 2022. You can see it's a non-profitable organization. So the ChatGPT is OpenAI system is artificial intelligence system. So where you can find every kind of solutions. So it is created actually for humans help. So this artificial intelligence can help human knowledge and can do the human work. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's start. Show you how to use it, and I will show you how it can help in your daily life. Just click on type in the chat GPT. Let's go to the chat GPT. You can see the login screen here and sign up. So if you don't sign up yet, so please go and sign up here. Get your sign up screen. So you have to put your mail ID and continue. So you will get one OTP and then your account will be created. So as I have already created the account, so just let's log in this account. It's logged in. Guys, this is the ChatGPT platform. You can see I have searched so many things here. You can see CCTV code, CCNA course overview. You can see the course overview also from here. You can see understanding DevOps. So whatever is the technical question you have, you can ask here. So this is my history. I have searched so many things. Quantum computing explanation. You can see here. So whatever you have, you are getting issue in technical field, IT field. So you can ask also, and any kind of solution you can get it from here. So like if you are planning to go for a tour in any other city like Mumbai in India or somewhere else, so just type the best place to tour in. It will show you whatever the best place is there, so we can go there and visit. You can see it is showing. You can see every details you will get. Let's type another tour location. Let's see. Kashmir is our good touring place, so just go click this one, so it will show you where you can see where the best touring place. So this chat GPT can help you to get your solution, get your proper result, so what you are actually looking for. So even you can get the code, you can type code, so like whatever code you want. So I would like to get one code. IP address. Great, you can see this is the code. You can take this code and you can just run this code on your Python, so it will work. You can get any kind of code you will get from here. Whatever code you want, you can get it from here. It will show you step by step how to create this code, how to use this code. This kind of facility you can get it from AI. Whatever your question is, you can search here, you will get it. So if you want to know any of the course module, like you can ask just course. You can see here it will show you complete course overview of CCNA. Yes, so this much you can get helps from OpenAI system, ChatGPT. Okay, guys, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can make another video like this. Okay, guys, see you on the next lecture.